Hello, this is a video about how to make pools and tests for the post-unit tests that are going to start in the fall prep program. So there are already existing sandboxes that have these materials, and this is similar, so I'm going to show you how this works. So again, this is a level 1 sandbox. And what you're going to do is go down to Course Tools. You're going to click on Test, Surveys, and Pools. And then let me just first show you this, what we're going to pull from. In tests, there are all of these practice tests that have been made and updated over the years, and we're no longer using these as pre-class quizzes because they're designed to do practice, and people have been working all summer to write new questions for videos that are concept checking questions instead of practice questions. But we can still use these questions to create end of unit tests. So how do we do that? Well, to start, we need to build pools. So whatever the topic is for the end of the unit, I'm just going to say for argument's sake, let's say it's adverbs of frequency and articles. Okay, let's say those are the two grammar topics that you're going to be testing at the end of Unit 1. So what you do is you go to Test, Survey, and Pools, click on Pools, and you're going to build pool. Okay, you want to name this after whatever grammar topic you're going to be doing. So adverbs of frequency, and maybe Sally will want some kind of coding system like, I don't know, L1 adverbs of frequency or something. But anyway, definitely adverbs of frequency. Submit. Then you're going to do find questions. And you're going to do this little chevron thing for tests. And you're going to click both of these two already created adverbs of frequency tests. And now it's going to show me all of the questions. Okay, there's 16 questions here. I want all of the questions. I hit submit. Now what I've done is I've taken these two adverbs of frequency tests that were built, and I've combined both of their questions into one pool. So I'm going to hit OK. Then I'm going to build a pool for articles. Okay, submit. Again, I'm going to do find questions. Again, go to the pre-existing tests. There are two tests for articles. Again, I want all of the questions. Submit. And now, voila, I have a pool of articles. Okay. So now that I have those two pools, I'm going to go back to test, question, and surveys, and I'm going to build a test. I'm going to do build test. I'm going to call this unit, whatever, level 1, unit 1 test. Okay. Maybe you need to write some description or instructions. I don't know, but anyway. So I have test canvas level 1 unit 1 test, and I'm going to do reuse questions, create random block. So I'm going to create a random block for adverbs of frequency. Oh, I need to, of course, select all the questions. So here's all the questions from before. Submit. Now, you guys will figure this out, but there's 16 questions I can draw from, and I want the students to randomly get, I don't know, 5 of them. Okay? And I want them to be 1 point each. Okay? So now I have this random block where out of 16 questions about adverbs of frequency, students will randomly get 5 of them. Okay, and then I'm going to create reuse questions, create another random block for the article pool I created. All questions, submit. And now here again, there's 20 of them, so I don't know, I'm going to pick 7. So now what I have is I have 12 questions, but it's drawing from a pool of 36 potential questions. So basically, they could get some random choice of all of these questions. Okay, now you've built this in an old sandbox that is no longer in use, so you need to export out this quiz. So you got to find it. Here we go. Level 1, Unit 1 test. This is the test I just built. And I'm now going to go export to local computer. And it's going to export out a zip file. Don't open it. Rather, just go to whatever course, whatever new sandbox you're going to put this into. And you go back to Test, Survey, and Pools in your new course, Tests. And you're going to import the test. Browse my computer. Grab this little funky zip file. And then, again, I now have this, where was it? Level 1, Unit 1 test. And it has, again, all the things I already set up before. And now if you go back into pools, you will see it has imported those pools that you created before. So that's how you build pools, create random sets, and export the test to a new course.